you want to start improvising, this is the most important skill that you are ever going to learn. Hi, I'm Jemma Heigis, and I'm going to teach you the 5 levels of the pentatonic scale. Before we get into this, let's learn what exactly the pentatonic scale is. So we're in the key of C major, therefore we're going to be using the C major pentatonic scale. It's only 5 notes, but this is how it can sound. There are other types, like the minor pentatonic scale. Or even further out there, like the Japanese pentatonic scale. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to be sticking to the major pentatonic scale. This is level 1. So we're in C major, therefore we will be using the C major pentatonic scale. So we're playing the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, and 6th degree of the scale. And you can just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're just going to go up 2 octaves using the C major pentatonic scale. We start with fingers 1, 2, 3, and then we cross your thumb over to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross one more time, 1, 2, 3, and we end on our 5. And then back down, we're going to go 5, 3, 2, 1, cross, 2, 1, cross again, 3, 2, 1, and cross one more time to C. So let's try that with the track. C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E, G, A, C. Back down. C, A, G, E, D, C, A, G, E, D, C. Let's try that a little faster. Let's dive into level 2. This is what it sounds like. Now we are going to introduce a new pentatonic shape with 3 notes. So that's going to be C, D, E, D, E, G, E, G, A, G, A, C. So that's just with fingers 1, 2, and 3. And we're just going up a degree of the pentatonic scale each time. And you can just move your hand upwards, just keeping the same fingering, but anticipate where you're going next so that your hand is in the right place. Fingering for going down, I usually go 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then I move my hand to the next position and repeat that. 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. And then here's the exception. And it can depend on what's most comfortable for you, but this is just what I do. Then I go 4, 3, 1 here, and then I start the pattern over. 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's try this with the track. If you want to take this to the next level, I have an awesome challenge for you inside of Pianote. We are going to go through each level and you'll get to practice alongside me. And by the end of this challenge, you are going to be a master of the pentatonic scale. This is level 3. Here's what it sounds like. So this shape is ascending, and we're going to do C, D, E, G, and then we go up a degree. D, E, G, A, up one more. E, G, A, C, and we keep going. Going up a degree each time. Back down. So C, A, G, E, and we go down a degree. A, G, E, D, G, E, D, C, E, D, C, A, D, C, A, G, and keep going. And the fingering this can kind of alternate between 1, 2, 3, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll feel it in your fingers when you start practicing this. It really just depends on where the keys are and the context. So for example, I'm playing 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. And the shape of my hands depends on what degree of the pentatonic I'm starting on. And then for going down, I'm gonna go 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just try it in your fingers and see what's most comfortable for you. But generally, you're probably going to be alternating between 1, 2, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to try it with the track. This is level 4. So this is where things get interesting. We're going to add the blues note, which is the flat 3. So if we're in the C major pentatonic, the blues note is E flat. This will just spice up things and make your pentatonic scale sound a little bit more cool and bluesy. So let's give it a try. That's going to be C, D, E flat, E, G, A, C. And back down, C, A, G, E, E flat, D, C. And then we're going to take it all the way up here. And the fingering for this is going to get even easier because you're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Then 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's play that with the track. Back down. So this is level 5. So if you've made it this far in the video, congratulations, because you are doing amazing. Now we're going to take all of these things that we've learned and combine it into an exercise. So ascending, we are going to use the 4-note pentatonic shape. So like we learned, same thing. And now going back down, we're going to add the blues note. So, and when we get to A, we're gonna go back and repeat that pattern so that the accent is on the right place. Otherwise, it might sound a little bit weird. So we're gonna go C, A, G, E, E flat, D, C, cross A, and then that same thing. C, A, G, E, E flat, D, C. So that'll sound like. Okay, let's try that with the track. So here's our 4-note pattern. Now add the blues note. Let's try that again. So ascending, make sure you visually anticipate where you're going, so your fingers are in the right place. Cross, cross. Great. And that's it. You can apply these same shapes in any key and starting from different points of the beat to create different effects. But if you're in level 2 right now, make sure that you just practice it until you feel totally comfortable before you move on to the next level. Let me know in the comments down below what level you're at or what exercise was your favorite. Thanks for watching. Anytime you want to get that pentatonic scale